Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Charming Perry home in Shadow Creek Ranch. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath residence offers an open, split floor plan and a custom screened patio. Relax in the spacious primary bedroom, complete with a primary bath featuring double sinks, a separate shower, and a tub. Enjoy the roomy family room, elegant formal living area, and a large utility room with extensive storage and a clothes drying rack. Act fast, this one won't last.